guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to open my very first lucky bag. So if you guys would like to see what all I got in my lucky bag, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, how are you? I'm doing good. So, if you are not familiar with the lucky bag from Beautylish, then you know what to do. Keep listening. Every year after Christmas, they launch lucky bags on Beautylish. And every year I have forgotten until this year. Because of Tammy. Tammy reminded me. Thank you, Tammy. And I got me a lucky bag. Oh, this is pretty. So here's what it looks like. Like that. Oh, another bag. Alright, let's see what we got in here. The first thing is a sleep mask night repair serum by Blue. I don't know about this brand. This is something I will have to try. Oh, pretty. Ooh, that smells good. So that's nice. I don't know how much that was, but I'm sure it was pricey. Coming from Beautylish. So we have that. I'm very upset. The Natasha Denoni Yucca palette. Ugh. Oh, and I got something on my nose. I'm so upset over this getting a Yucca palette. I don't want the Yucca palette. That is sure not my color story. I will probably gift it to somebody. I don't like it. So that is going to be gifted. I got a Viseart professional makeup palette. Let's see if I have this one. Oh no, I don't have this one. So there's the palette. So that one's nice. I can use that one. And then we have the Good Molecules Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. And then we got a Wayne Goss lipstick. Let's see. Let me see. Oh, it's a gloss. It's a color gloss. That smells good. It's a cute color. So there's 4 things that I will use. And then this right here is wrapped up. I hope this is something worth it because that was not worth my money. I was not lucky. I have seen so many unboxings in the past years with great boxes. That's the only reason why I decided to do it. Now, I bought the $75 box. Oh. And we got a full brush set. Ooh, wow. Those feel amazing. This is the unit brush set. Wow, those are so soft. We'll definitely keep these. And then here's one. And there's one. And there's a big brush. They don't say what they're for, but you know, there's no rules of makeup. This is a bronzer brush. So that would, that's perfect placement. And then this one. Never heard of this brand by Beautylish. And they're bright orange. So, a makeup brush set, eye cream, a Wayne Goss lip gloss, a Viseart palette, and a sleep mask. And that ugly Yucca palette. That is ugly. I'm sorry, but I wasn't interested in it when it launched, and I sure as heck ain't interested in it in a lucky bag. Thanks, Beautylish. You just stuck that one in there because it don't sell too good. But other than that, that was my lucky bag. So, let me know, have you ever ordered from Beautylish and got you a lucky bag? And if so, which bag did you choose? And have you ordered in previous years? Let me know down in the comments. And did you like anything that I got in this lucky bag? Let me know in the comments what was your favorite thing that I unboxed. And who knows? Maybe I'll do a giveaway on YouTube for that Yucca palette. I'm not sure. But let me know in the comments. And guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe, ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.